In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Otter.AI from Microsoft Teams. If you've been using Otter.ai for transcriptions or meetings but have decided it's time to declutter or try a different service, you're in the right place. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Whether you're using the desktop version or accessing it through a web browser, the steps are largely similar, so just make sure you're logged in with the account where Otter.ai is installed. Once inside Teams, take a look around, and along the left-hand side, you should see a list of options. Here, you're going to want to find the Apps tab, and this is usually represented by an icon that looks like a small grid. Click on that to proceed. Now that you're in the Apps tab, you'll have the capability to manage all the third-party applications integrated with your Microsoft Teams. In the search bar located at the top of this section, type in Otter.ai. This search will quickly bring up the app we're looking to remove from your Teams environment. When you see Otter.ai in the search results, move your cursor over to it. You'll notice there's a three-dot menu, sometimes called the ellipsis, next to the app name. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to more options for managing the app. In the menu that appears, you're going to see an option that says either uninstall or remove. Choose this option. Microsoft Teams may ask you for confirmation just to ensure that you didn't accidentally click the wrong thing. Make sure to confirm that you indeed want to remove Otter.ai. Once you've confirmed the action, it'll only take a moment for the app to be uninstalled from Microsoft Teams. To make sure everything went smoothly, you can search for Otter.ai again in your Apps tab. If all went well, you won't find it listed among your installed applications anymore. By completing these steps, you've successfully uninstalled Otter.ai from Microsoft Teams. It's always a good practice to regularly check and manage the applications connected to your platforms, ensuring that everything you use is still necessary for your workflow. And there you have it. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your digital tools.